In this video, I will show you how to activate a useful feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone, Always on Display. This option allows you to always see important information on the screen, such as the time, date, and notifications, even when the phone is locked. If you want your phone to be more convenient and have essential information at your fingertips, stay with me, and I'll show you how to easily enable this feature. So, first, open the Settings app on your phone. Right after opening, scroll down, find the lock screen option, and tap on it. Once you are on the lock screen settings page, you will see the Always on Display option. Tap it to open the additional settings page. Now, first tap the switch to turn it on. When you enable the Always on Display option, you can also enable the Show Music Information option. This feature allows you to see information about the music currently playing, including the song title and artist, directly on the screen without needing to unlock your phone. And at the very end, tap the When to Show option to choose when you want the Always on Display to be displayed. You can choose between the options Always, Tap to Show, As Scheduled, and for new notifications. Once you select the option that suits you best, Always on Display will automatically work according to your choice. And that would be all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, and thank you for watching.